want to delete all of your liked videos on YouTube? You've come to the right place. In this simple tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the likes or unlike the videos you've liked in the past. It doesn't matter if you're using iOS or Android, the process is the same for both. Just be sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss any steps. First, open the YouTube app on your device and make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, tap on the library button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, scroll to the playlist section, where you'll see a playlist called Liked Videos. Open that playlist to view all the videos you've liked on YouTube. Remember, this is a private playlist, only you can see it, so there's no need to worry about anyone else viewing the videos you've liked. To remove a like or unlike a video, simply tap on the three dots next to the video and select Remove from Liked Videos. The like will then be removed from that video. Another option is to tap on the video to open it, and then click the like button once to unlike it. If you go back to your playlist, you can remove likes manually one by one. Unfortunately, the YouTube mobile app doesn't have a remove all or unlike all button, so you'll have to do this manually. For now, there's no other way. And that's how you can delete all your liked videos on YouTube mobile. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, leave a comment down below, it would mean a lot to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.